Ravi and Sam used to play football in their backyard, and to avoid damaging any plants in the backyard, they actually played in a fenced area. So they had made a small fenced area and they used to play football in that area itself. Now they had one small problem. When they used to fall down, they got hurt very badly. So they decided that they will cover this area with grass. Now this is the entire area in which they play football, and they need to cover this area with grass. So how much grass do they need? Well, for that they will have to calculate how much space this rectangle occupies, isn't it? Now what do we call this particular space? That is space enclosed by a shape. Well, it's called area of that particular shape. So basically they need to calculate area of this rectangle, and then only they will be able to purchase required grass to cover this entire space. So what exactly is area? Area is the space occupied by a shape. So in this case, this entire shaded region is basically area of this particular shape. Now what do we have in the case of Sam and Ravi? Well, we have a rectangular shape, isn't it? So we are talking about a rectangle, and in the case of a rectangle, the area is the product of the length and the breadth of the rectangle. So we have a rectangle here. Well, this is the length and this is the breadth. So what will be the area? Well, formula for area is L into B, that is length into breadth. So whenever we need to calculate area of a rectangle, well, we multiply length with breadth. So let's come back to Ravi and Sam. Now this is the area in which they play football, which is a rectangular area. Now length of this area is 10 meters. So length of this rectangle is 10 meters and breadth of this rectangle is 4 meters. So what will be the area? Well, we know that area of a rectangle is length into breadth. So in this case, length is 10 meters and breadth is 4 meters. So 10 into 4, length into breadth. 10 into 4 is 40. So 40, and what will be the unit? Well, we are multiplying meters and meters. So whenever we multiply two numbers with same units, then their units become square units. So in this case we have meters. So unit will be square meters. So in this case the answer will be 40 square meters. So when we multiply two numbers with same units, well, the answer is always in square units. So in this case we have square meters. So how did we find out the area of this particular rectangle? By multiplying length into breadth. So now Sam and Ravi know that they need grass to cover 40 square meters of area. Now let's see another problem. Ravi needs to convert a football ground into a cricket ground. So he needs to convert this football ground into a cricket ground. So he needs to prepare a cricket pitch in the center. So in the center he needs to prepare a cricket pitch. Now how much area of grass does he need to clear if the pitch has to be 20 meters long and 3 meters wide? So the pitch at the center needs to be 20 meters long and 3 meters wide. So this is the area which he needs to clear. So he needs to clear this much of grass, and this will be the area for the pitch. So what do we need to exactly calculate? How much grass does he need to clear? Well, for that we will have to calculate the area of this particular shape, and that will be the amount of grass he needs to clear. He needs to clear that amount of area in the center. Now what do we have here? Well, a cricket pitch is rectangular in shape. So basically we have a rectangle in question. So we basically need to find the area of this cricket pitch, which is 20 meters long and 3 meters wide. So I have 20 and 3. And what is the formula for area? It's length into breadth of a rectangle. So in this case it will be 20 into 3. So 20 meters into 3 meters. So what will be the area in this case? It will be 60. Will it be meters or square meters? Well, we are multiplying two numbers with same unit. So it will be square meters. So this is the answer for this question. So he will have to clear 60 square meters of area in the center to make the cricket pitch. So to find out the area of a rectangle, which formula can we use? Will it be length into breadth? Will it be 4 into side? Or will it be 2 into length plus breadth? What do you think? Well, the answer is length into breadth. So whenever we need to calculate area of a rectangle, we multiply length with breadth. So this is a rectangle. These are the length of the rectangle and these are the breadth of the rectangle. So area will be L into B, that is length into breadth.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.